In this video, I show you how you can convert any video to MP3 simply by using an online tool. So first of all, just open the browser and just paste it here, which is v.io/convert/video-converter. I'll link in the description as well. So just head over to this, and it doesn't require any sign up. You just convert the video directly. So click on convert video file and upload a file. And let's say this is the video. I just uploaded it. If you want to do some kind of editing, you can also do here at the bottom, or otherwise we can just convert it directly to whatever format we like. So in this case, we like to download it in MP3. So this is all video formats. Just go to audio and here we find MP3. Click on convert. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. And after that, it says your file has been converted successfully. Let's click on download and let's see how it works. So as we can see here, it works perfectly. And this is how you can convert any video to MP3. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description and also subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and I'll see you in the next one.